This is the secret villa of 2025. This is the one which, if you didn't know where it was, you would never find this in a million years. I have lived in Dubai for 13 years, and this is the very first time. So I've been in this community before, but I have never stepped inside a villa quite like this, because generally people that move into this area are here for 10 years, 15 years. It's an older community, as you're going to see now as we walk this video through. But what, my gosh, the birds are literally diving for me. There's always something on my videos, right? Okay, I'm really worried about those crows. So I'm going to turn the camera around. We're in the garden first because the garden is absolutely beautiful, apart from those two crows. Check this out. Okay, so this is where I was just standing, and beautiful swimming pool. There we have it. Look at this, just absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to take you around the garden first because this really is quite unique, and I feel like I'm in a house in Provence in the south of France. It's just beautiful. This is actually artificial grass, and what I love about it is that it doesn't need any maintenance at all. Now the owners have really lovingly put their touch on everything. You know, they've closed these sort of side areas off with fences. So I think there's a guinea pig down there, and we'll also take you back into the house in a minute. But got a lovely seating area here, so in the afternoon, in the evening, I mean, look at this, it's so colonial, right? You just sat here having a cup of tea or a drink on the balcony, looking out to your garden. It's just so quiet. And then if we just go around this part of the house, you will also see you have got this area outside, which I will show you, but you've got a maid's room in there, you've got a laundry room, you've got a storage room, and you've got a closed garage for 2 cars, and that's off entirely the side of the house. Okay, can you just, isn't it beautiful? And because it's an older area, it's really, really mature, all the trees and the greenery. So anyway, now let's step back inside the house, and I want to take you through. It's a 5-bedroom villa, this, so we're going to walk in through the kitchen here, so different order to what I normally do. So we've walked in from outside, and this is your family kitchen area with a dining room, and it's beautiful. I mean, look how spacious this is. So that was the outside garden we were at. You've got this lovely open plan modern kitchen, so everything has been upgraded. But some of you watching this may well be a renovation project, you know, but equally it is a beautiful home, and actually it's an artist, so she does interior design, so hence why it just looks so beautiful. So this is your official dining room here, and then into the formal lounge looking out on the garden and the swimming pool there. I'll just give you a view as to where we were just now. Okay, so I love all the different colour walls as well, just separates out the house. That was the dining room, and then we just came from the kitchen in there. So now let's walk into the front lounge. So you've got 2 seating areas. This is the front of the house, and if you look through that, you can see you've got your front gate and a beautiful garden, and it's such a quiet road. I can't get over. There's just no traffic here at all, and we're right here by the kids' playground, which I'll show you. So that's great for any of you that want to be there. Now look at this formal entrance into the home. So let's come back to the front door, and if you walk in the front door, this is what you see. Just absolutely beautiful, really formal. You've got off to the side of the house, upstairs there, and back in through this door to the kitchen where I've just walked you through. So if we come back to the main entrance again, you'll see that's where the front door is. So downstairs we've got 1 bedroom. It's in here, so it's currently being used as a music room, but this is the downstairs bedroom, and that's looking out to the front gate there. Oh, there's a little cat here. Okay, so that's the downstairs bedroom, and then you've got an ensuite bathroom here as well. So if you wanted, potentially you could actually close that off and make that, you know, an enclosed bedroom as well. And now let's bring you upstairs so you can get an idea of the other 4 bedrooms. And as we go upstairs, just again, take a look at this beautiful entrance. And all the flooring is really nicely done and finished. So you can just check that out. And we are heading upstairs here. That's absolutely gorgeous though. What a beautiful home. Okay, so beautiful. So we've got 4 bedrooms upstairs, and this could also potentially be closed off and make it another bedroom upstairs, or you could have it as the family living area. This is the main sort of artist area, but really, really nice. So we've got 4 bedrooms. Let's go into one of them. They've all got ensuite bathrooms. So here's one of the kiddies' rooms. I love it. And that's down towards the front of the house. Really, really green and very quiet. You've got plenty of off-street parking. And then if we look, there's another bedroom here, and that's pretty cool. It's got its own wardrobes, again ensuite bathrooms as well. Really nice. My favourite room of all is the master wing, because it really is a wing. I mean, look at this, it's so spacious. Beautiful bedroom. You could extend out there, and that looks out to the children's playground as well. And I don't think I can get out there at the moment, but again, that's just a children's playground, so it's really nice. There's no roads here as well. Really large, spacious room. And then this is the walk-in wardrobe here, and the bathroom here, which is beautiful. His and hers, a tub. This has all been recently done. And it's all Milano Italian bathroom and finish. And here's your built-in closed wardrobe area. And then finally, we've got one more bedroom here. So let's go through to this room. Again, really, really nicely done for a child, and an ensuite bathroom in there. So details of this fabulous home here in the community, and I will send you all the details once you get in touch with me. Click the link below so we can chat more. This has the details below, the built up area, the plot size and the price. And remember, even if you're looking at this from overseas, you don't yet have a bank account, we can work with our conveyancing lawyers to ensure that this happens for you. So don't delay. These homes are few and far between. It's a really mature area, very green. We are within 10 minutes drive of Tilal Al Ghaf's Royal Grammar School. So a lot of people, the kids actually here go to the RGS school. So we're under 10 minutes drive to the RGS school. So let me hear from you soon, because this will not be along for very long. It's a secret community. People don't really know much about it. I'm happy to take you around and show you. Potentially this is your dream home. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.